I'm Tom Thumb from Pittstown, New Jersey. When I'm not working in the garden, I'm checking out idiotic ramblings on Life is Good. Come on.
Okay, so for 10 years I've been driving this truck like it sits, and I've had the exhaust turned down right there, sit. And I'm tired of that turned down, so we're gonna put it up on the rack and look at it and see if we can't change the way it looks and sounds a little bit. So today is Dodge playing day. Alright guys, so anyway, it was a good call because these pipes are rusted through. So we're going to change them out and bring the tips all the way straight to the back. We're going to put a Flowmaster on it, make a little bit more noise. So change the look and the sound. So we'll let you hear it when we get back out. So we got that side done. Now we're hanging the other side. The other pipes were just rusted out. And that muffler, the inside of it had started coming apart and it was getting loud and drony. So we're going to go back with a Flowmaster, make a little bit of noise. If we don't like it, we'll go back to a quiet muffler, but change things up. Change is good. Just put a tape measure on that so we can get it even on here on this side. It's a little local favorite shop. I've been coming here since I was old enough to drive, man. And I'm thinking about the only muffler shop we got left in town now. I'd come here, I've had my duals put on. Every vehicle I ever get, I'd come in here and put some Flowmasters on it. Or back in the day when we had them 69 to 72 model Ford pickups, I'd run glass packs on them. Take it home, stick a water hose in it and blow it out. But now we like a little bit more mellow sound with a Flowmaster. So we'll see what this thing sounds like. Hopefully we don't get on our nerves now that we're old. Alright, so there it is. Let's see what it sounds like. Now it sounds like a truck. I like that. It looks a lot better with those pipes down there like that. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Yeah. Alright guys, we've had this Dodge since 2008. We bought it new. And for the last 10 years it has looked like that right there. See that? So that's the way she's looked for the last 10 years. These Michelins are 7 years old. They still have 3/4 of life left in them, but they bounce. They are flat spotted. So, and a rough measurement is about 30, about a 33. That's about 16 and a half. It's about 33. So we're going, if this thing's going to ride like a 4-wheel drive, we're going to make it look like a 4-wheel drive. Let's get a little height on the bumper here for real quick. So our bumper height now is sitting at 30. And here's the wheels we're going to put on there. Kind of wanted the classic Mickey Thompson look, but 3 weeks out, so we got American Racing. That's going to look pretty good. And that's my tires there. A little Mickey Thompson 35 1250s, right? So we'll see what she looks like. All right, so what we got to do is put it on there and do a dry fit. Make sure it clears the rotor. Because these are 17s and those are 20s. So you got to make sure the 17 will clear the brake rotor. But some of the factory Dodges came out with 17s. But yeah, I think it's going to work. So now that we like that, we'll throw the tire on there, make sure the tire clears when we turn, to make sure it don't scrub. Major difference. I mean, look at the difference in that stance, man. Look at that. Holy smokes. Now we got Keith in there to turn the wheel, see if it... Of course, the suspension's not settled, is it? So right here's what we're going to have to worry about, and then up there. What's he waiting on? All kinds of room. Let's see it's good. Okay, there's the finished product. They're torquing them down. I think it made a big difference in the stance. Well, we only added, it was only adding like an inch, about an inch and a half there, but it made a big difference. Look at that. And they don't stick out that bad. So, yeah. So took off a perfectly good, what looks to be good Michelins, which are junk, and put on some tires. So Dodge makeover. Now she looks like a four-wheel drive, so we'll see how she rides. Well, that definitely changed the truck. Changed how she sounds and changed how she rides. It rides smoother on smooth roads, but on bumps and stuff, it's got a little bit more firm feel to it. And you can definitely hear the pipes in here. You might not be able to hear them through this microphone. Let's roll the window down a little bit. You guys probably can't hear that. But definitely got a different feel to it. And we're running in tow mode, so it's not in overdrive, because if we click it into overdrive, it really drops it too low of a gear. Sooner or later, it's probably going to affect my speedometer as well. It's got behind this trash truck. So anyway, it definitely changed the appearance and the sound. So Dodge makeover there come in. Looks like it's pulling a little bit to the left now. Maybe not. So it takes some time to get used to it. Like I said, it's been that same condition for 10 years. So it's time for a change. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the Dodge makeover clips there. And we'll see you guys on the next adventure. Thanks for watching. At home, it looks a lot different. I forgot to measure the bumper height on it, so we'll have to do that on another concrete pad. I can't remember what we were at. The video will tell us we're at 30 and a half now. We can't, but we'll have to put it back on the concrete. So definitely changed. Exhaust pipe smoking. Probably burn all the new junk. Definitely a Dodge makeover day. So there you go. What do you think, guys? Got the new dual exhaust out there instead of just, and the new tires. Really changed the stance. So we'll get these unloaded, get them put away. So there you go. I like it. Throw some armor on them bad boys now, juice them up. I realized I didn't really have a good before picture of this Dodge with the factory wheels and tires on there, but I think it turned out really well. I love it. Absolutely love it. Now, these tires are 7 years old. As you can see, they got some dry rot in here. A lot of dry rot, actually. But there's a lot of tread there. And I drove them things to Florida, that kind of dry rot. But anyway, the problem is they're 7 years old and they got less. They might have 10 to 15,000 miles on them. Still got a lot of life left in the tread. But they were out of balance. Well, they weren't out of balance, I'm sorry. I had them balanced 3 times in the last year trying to fix them. They were flat spotted. They were just bouncing constantly, which is the reason why we changed everything. Because these tires right here are really expensive. The Michelin, and those are about the same price. And so I decided to change up the look. I've had this truck since 2008, and it always looked like that, stock. And so now we changed it a little bit. And we had dual exhaust on it originally. And so anyway, so I think you know, I think the upgrades turned out pretty nice, you know. So I'm pleased with how she turned out. She turned out really good. So there's that. And sorry we didn't get a before and after picture of it, but anyway, so there you go, guys. There's oh yeah, and I forgot to say that 8 years ago I had the front end leveled up, because you know Dodge, the front end is a little lower. So with the leveling kit on a 1500 Dodge four-wheel drive, 35 1250s will fit nicely, as you can see. So anybody ever had any question about a 1500, you do a leveling kit on the front, they clear with plenty of room. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the how to upgrade a Dodge Ram 1500 to look like a Tennessee redneck hillbilly truck. That's how you do it. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the like, share, subscribe button. Y'all have a good day, and we'll see you on the next one.